Dear valued customer, safety and operational excellence are important to us. So, we want to ensure that in the unlikely case of an emergency, you are aware and prepared. We're continuously improving and upgrading our pipeline network to provide you with an effective and efficient gas supply. During planned maintenance or pipeline upgrades, we will notify you and request that you close all shut-off valves and appliances during this time. According to the municipal gas bylaws, liability and ownership of the piped gas transfers to the customer at their property boundary. Therefore, the piping and appliances downstream of the meter are the responsibility of the customer. We strongly advise that you close any supply valves during planned pipeline maintenance or upgrades. If you do not know where to locate the supply valves, please contact your appointed registered gas practitioner or Egoli gas for advice. Purging is the displacement of air by piped natural gas. Purging is necessary to avoid the possibility of a dangerous air-gas mixture from existing or forming in your piping, appliances, or in confined spaces. Anytime piping is repaired, extended or newly installed, it must be purged by a qualified gas practitioner. Reopen the supply valves slowly. Make sure you have good ventilation by keeping a window or door open near the appliance. While pressing the valve control knob, press the igniter button until the pilot flame lights. This could take anywhere from 1 to 10 minutes to get the air out of the pipeline as the gas starts to flow. Once the pilot is lit, continue to press the control valve for 30 seconds before releasing it. The flame should remain on. Your appliance is now safe for use. Should you have any queries or should an emergency occur after following these steps, please contact the Egoli Gas Network Control Room on 011 726 4702 for advice.